If, like us, your happy place is on the piste or off, then the snow show is definitely for you. It's free for kids, so we thought we'd give it a go. And they didn't want to leave.
This is the place to be.
We headed to Birmingham's NEC for the National Snow Show. The weekend after is the London Snow Show. They top and tail National Snow Week. There were famous faces.
Should we have a ski jumping lesson from Eddie the Eagle?
And talks from industry experts. And we had the chance to get some skiing tips from the pros. You couldn't have a snow show without a bit of skiing and boarding. And there was the chance to learn some tricks. And watch some stunts. We tried Nordic roller skiing, skateboarding, hoverboarding, Nordic laser shooting and slacklining. Activities are free, but some are pre-book only, so arrive early to secure your slot. We challenged ourselves. And there were prizes to be won, plus plenty of freebies. We shopped the latest kit and discovered some really innovative products. All this while snacking and supping some fab food and drink. And the icing on the donut was meeting Eddie the Eagle Edwards, 4 years after our eldest dressed as him for Sporting Heroes Day. We thought the snow show was great family fun, and it's got us very excited about our upcoming ski trips. Of course, there'll be travel tip videos for those on our channel, so please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss them. And do check out our best budget skiing vid, which is already there.